Hello, everyone. My name is Salvatore Calcagno. I'm a PhD student from the University of Catania, and today I will be presenting our work on forecasting neural responses in the mouse visual cortex. The main motivation behind this work is to advance our understanding of how the brain perceives the world. Decoding the brain's perception algorithms remain a key challenge in neuroscience. In particular, we focus on the mouse visual cortex, and our goal is to explore how artificial intelligence can create a digital twin of the cortex to facilitate in silico experiments. The central question of our research is, given a neural state observed in response to a stimulus, along with the information about the upcoming stimulus, can we accurately predict the subsequent neural state? We know that the response just not depends on the stimulus itself, but it also depends on the previous state and other external factors such as the behavior that usually is not accessible in real-time scenarios. Additionally, the inherent sparsity of neural signals makes standard objectives like mean squared errors ineffective because they produce naive prediction. To address these challenges, we decided to reframe the forecasting task as a classification problem. And we used the Allen Brain Observatory dataset, which includes deconvolved traces from two-photon calcium imaging in response to various visual stimuli. Our model was first pre-trained using a masked autoencoder approach inspired by current natural language processing architectures. In this pre-training phase, the signal was divided into patches. Some of these patches were masked, and the decoder aimed to reconstruct the original signal from the remaining unmasked patches. To convert this continuous problem into a discrete one, we incorporated a quantizer in the latent space. This step translates the signal into discrete codes, and the decoder reconstructs the original signal from these codes. Once the model was trained, the encoder could be used for two tasks. In the first task, we aim to classify whether a given neuron will be active in response to the next stimulus. In this context, we prepend to the sequence the past neural state, that is the sequence itself, and we prepend the neuron identity, the stimulus, and we also introduce a class token that is used by the head to determine if the neuron will be active in response to the stimulus or not. The second task is response forecasting. In this case, we modify the encoder, ensuring that the masked patches appear at the end of the sequence. The real codes are used as labels for classification problem, and the model's head predicts the missing codes. The decoder then reconstructs the predicted codes, yielding the predicted neural response. Our approach outperformed other forecasting methods in both tasks. Not only quantitative results were good, but also the qualitative ones were impressive. While other models tend to generate naive predictions, our model successfully captures the true shape of the neural response. Further analysis in the learned codes revealed that similar neural activity patterns tend to cluster together in the latent space, and additionally, similar response levels were found to be close to each other, further validating the model's internal structure. Since the results are promising, we plan to extend these models to handle two-photon imaging movies directly, enhancing its applicability and performance. That's all. Thank you for watching. Bye.